How to open joint account in Simplii bank account. So go to the Simplii online banking account. Then navigate to the accounts or open new account section. Look for the option to open a joint account. Select the type of account you wish to open jointly. Choose the option to open a joint account rather than an individual account. Enter the personal information of the joint account holder, including their name, address, social insurance number, and date of birth. Review any additional terms and conditions associated with your online banking account. Confirm the information entered and agree the terms. Fund the joint account by transferring money from an existing Simplii account. Verify the joint account details. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.